In this video, I'll show you how to view the uploaded files in Copilot Studio. Now, this is just an experimentation, like I just wanted to see when you upload a file or when you have a conversation with a Copilot Studio agent, and in that process, you upload a file, you upload an image, you upload a PDF, you upload a doc file for any transaction. Now, if you want to retrieve those information back, how can you do that? Now there are multiple ways. You can do it through prompts, you can do it through feedback, you can do it through app directory browsing. Now these are some of the screenshot which I have taken. I'll show you in the demonstration. So if I just type in show me all the files which I have uploaded, then I will get the list of all the files. Or you just say I want to download all the files I uploaded, then you will see the files. Then if you extract through the internal folder structure within Copilot Studio Agent. So you can just say show contents of app folders, app uploads folder, then you will be able to see all the list of files. And then if you provide a feedback, then you will be able to see the uploaded files. So let's jump into the demo. Let me show you. So this is one of the agent which I have created. Now here I have done some transactions with the agent. So if you see over here, I conversed with the agent over here, asking for some information. Agent gave me some information, and then I did some transactions. So what I did is like I uploaded a file. So if I say this file I uploaded, and I asked agent to generate a pencil drawing, agent has generated a pencil drawing. So this is one file operation which I did. Then the other operation which I did is like I uploaded this file and then I asked for get me base 64 equivalent of that file. So I've uploaded two files over here, right? Now let me upload one more file. Okay, now let me upload another file, and maybe let me pick up, say, this one. So I'm just uploading this file. Maybe I'll upload another file, maybe this Copilot Studio Agent file, and I will say don't do anything on this file. Maybe I don't want agent to process this file, so agent is just stored this file. Now if I want to see all the files which I have uploaded, I have an option to write a command where I can say show me all the files which I have uploaded, and it will list down all the files which I have uploaded. Now the first two which I showed you before and the second one, right? So this is the list I can get. Now what if I want to download all the files? So I can say I want to download all the files which I have uploaded. And again, the agent will run the same command. Now instead of listing, the agent should give me the file. Now as you see over here, the agent has given me the list of files. They should appear all as per attachment above. Let me know if anything else. So it has given me a couple of files. So done, all four files uploaded, JPEG, GIF, and I can go ahead and download this. So I can go ahead and click on and download this particular file. All right, now if I want to see exactly where does this file reside, so I'll just say show contents of maybe app. I know the path, and that's why I'm giving you this command, app upload directory or folder, and then it will list down all the files which I have uploaded in this agent. So this is the content of app upload folder. So it is, and it is given me the size as well. So it's 723 KB across 4 files. All right, now is there any other way through which I can view the uploaded files? Yes. So if you see all this command over here, like, dislike, copy. Now if you do a dislike, that means Microsoft would like to get a feedback about why are you disliking this. Now in that interim process, Microsoft will share the prompt generated, right? So if you click on this over here, share prompt generated response, here you will see all the files which you have uploaded, right? So there is conversation details, Girish ShareX, pencil drawing. So these are all the files which have been either generated by an agent or you uploaded. Now I know a couple of files which I recently uploaded over here. So text on image, CPS new, Then I have animated text, this one. So I can go ahead and maybe download this file. So I just click on it, this file gets downloaded. If I click on this file gets downloaded. So this is also one of the way to retrieve the file which you have uploaded in Copilot Studio. So what we have seen three different ways to view the file which has been uploaded. So first, show me all the files which I've uploaded. This is a prompt which you type in, and then the agent will list down all the files which you have uploaded. If you want to download the files which you have uploaded, you need to exactly specify that command, and you get the list of files, and then you can download the file by clicking on that icon. Then you can view the content of app file upload, app folder upload. So app/upload is a folder which stores the file. You can view the list of all the files which have been uploaded. And now if you want to download in a different fashion, like a feedback, you just give a feedback, click share prompt generated, and then you have an option to download all the files which has been uploaded or generated by an agent. So that's it, folks. This is all about viewing uploaded files in Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching.